My name is Omar, and today we will be talking about GameStop's 10K statement of 2019, inventory, and internal controls. GameStop is a public corporation. Most forms of corporation pay additional income tax and enjoy limited liability. GameStop has over 5,500 stores with its headquarters located in Grapevine, Texas. Their main purpose is to sell video games, mainly in the form of hardware, meaning touchable. However, they purchase games from individuals as well. Additionally, GameStop sells collectibles and accessories. One reason why I selected GameStop for this project is the release of the upcoming PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X. This release is expected to have a significant impact later this year. By looking into the current standings of a company within the same industry, we can analyze how strong of an impact the console release in the future will really have. Now let's take a closer look into how GameStop handles their inventory control. GameStop uses the perpetual inventory system. By scanning an item at sale, their electronic inventory program updates the availability of goods left. The method used to calculate the cost of goods sold is the weighted average method. By calculating the total dollar amount and dividing it up by the total amount of items, GameStop knows the value to record for their cost of goods sold. Additionally, to ensure that the value of their items is up to date, GameStop frequently evaluates their goods to ensure that the lower price of cost or market is applied. In order to comply with the accounting principles, GameStop mentions in their 10K statement that revenue is recognized once performance obligations are satisfied. By disclosing information in footnotes and throughout their statements, GameStop honors the full disclosure principle. As seen here, the merchandise inventory is recorded on the balance sheet under current assets at the value of $859.7 million US. Another important factor when handling valuable items is the internal control. By installing video cameras, using electronic cashier systems, and locking away their most expensive and demanded games, consoles, and collectibles, GameStop does their best to ensure that unexpected loss or damage of inventory is avoided. Now, let's take a look at how their sales match up with their expenses. As you can see, their gross profit for 2019 was $1.908 billion US. Deducting their total expenses leaves GameStop with a net loss of $470.9 million US. Now, it's no secret that GameStop has been writing red numbers for the past years and that their stores around the globe have been closing. Finally, do I think the release of new consoles will drag GameStop out of their slump? The fact that both console manufacturers announced that they will release cheaper digital edition consoles where CDs will not be needed is nothing less but a stunning blow to GameStop and its competitors, since games can be downloaded directly from the console without needing to stop by a physical location. I personally think that it is a matter of time until GameStop becomes obsolete.